If you feel your hotel has become disorganized and that disorganization has begun to compromise your business, then it may be time to look into purchasing a property management software. After researching the many benefits of a quality PMS system, hotel managers often ask the question, how do I go about purchasing a property management software? Well, good news. By the end of this video, you'll have a detailed understanding of the process of buying and installing a property management system. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ask any questions you may have in the comments section down below. Without further ado, let's begin. A property management system brings together all the elements of running a successful hotel. When purchasing a PMS, it's important to consider the size of your hotel and the software budget you have put aside, as the two go hand in hand. In most examples, price directly correlates with the number of rooms at your resort, as well as the number of qualified staff members you deem responsible enough to operate the software at a higher functionality. Other variables may include the number of POS terminals you integrate with the system, as well as any additional charges for any unique features a PMS software company may offer. Once you feel you're ready to dedicate the time, effort, and resources to achieve the desired results, then you're ready to take the next step in the process. The first step on your journey to ultimate organization would be to reach out to the software company you'd like to do business with. You'll have to accept the terms and conditions of the company you choose to work with, which includes sharing your hotel's private data, so be sure to do thorough research before proceeding with the PMS of your choice. Once you turn over this data, the software company will work on the migration and formatting of current and future data from your hotel to their software. Many property management systems will offer a webinar or info tab that will explain the step-by-step purchasing process of their product, as each company has their own method. For the sake of this video, we'll use Booking Ninjas as an example. After an initial data assessment, a trial account will be created for your business that you can begin using immediately, thus having the ability to fully analyze real-time, up-to-the-second data and analytics. During the trial, you'll be able to assess whether the property management software enhances the operation of your hotel. There are several add-on options that improve the efficiency of your PMS, such as AT integration, advanced analytics, and phone and SMS services. If you're happy with your trial, you'll continue to receive software updates as well as customer advice, opening you up to unlimited potential growth for your hotel. As the world's become more mobile, having a property management system has become a necessity. Not only does it allow you to keep every aspect of your hotel in one place, but it enables you to manage your resort on any device from anywhere in the world. Many hotel managers don't know where to start, but as we just illustrated, the process of buying and implementing a property management software is really not that daunting. Having a cloud-based PMS system is the most reliable way to store client information and professionally analyze both customer and financial data. The moment you purchase a property management system, it'll change the way you do business and accommodate guests, putting you on your way to running a highly successful and efficient hotel.